United borrowed more money. Papa Perez is fan of Rodrigo. Liverpool players are actually happy with Arne Slot. And we will end up this video with some transfer news and the great debate question. So make sure आप end तक देखो and please like, share, subscribe to Defective FC जरूर कर देना. चलो, let's go. So the first news is coming from the Manchester United camp that they have borrowed more 105 credit line, which means आप समझ लो कि भाई उन्होंने लोन निकाली है. It also mean कि ग्लेजर फैमिली का जो 481 मिलियन डेप्ट था उसमें और इंक्रीज हो चुका है फ्रॉम 2005. It means कि भाई ग्लेजर्स फैमिली इज जस्ट बोरोइंग मनी फ्रॉम द मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड एंड नॉट पुटिंग द मनी. वो सबको पता है और ये क्लियर है भाई उनको निकलना पड़ेगा क्योंकि इट अफेक्ट्स द क्लब फॉर द लॉन्ग टर्म प्लान. अगर आप स्टेडियम बिल्ड करना, अगर आपको प्लेयर साइनिंग चाहते हो तो दिस मनी कैन अफेक्ट योर क्लब. अभी उमर बराड़ा आके बोल रहा है कि यार देखो हमने इसलिए मनी लिया है क्योंकि वी वॉन्ट टू इन्वेस्ट, वी वॉन्ट टू पुट द मनी फॉर आवर इंटरेस्ट एंड टू रन द क्लब, टू रन द मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड मेंस एंड वुमेन्स टीम. और ये पीआर की लैंग्वेज में अच्छा है बट नहीं, लॉन्ग टर्म में इट वुड अफेक्ट दिस क्रेडिट लाइन until and unless we are actually going to that position, and it's actually very bad for fans. The second news is coming from Real Madrid camp that Florentino Perez hugged Rodrigo after the City match and he's a huge fan of Rodrigo. But क्या आपको सच में लगता है कि Florentino Perez is actually fan of Rodrigo? देखो आप मुझसे पूछोगे कि यार मुझे ये लगता है कि he just trying to portray a good relationship on the internet ताकि उसकी एक प्राइस मेंटेन रहे, दूसरे क्लब को पता लगे कि भाई नहीं ये इधर खुश है तो अगर इसको निकलना है ये क्लब से तो आपको अच्छी प्राइस देनी पड़ेगी. एंड दैट्स व्हाट ही इज ट्राइंग टू पोर्ट्रेट ऑन सोशल मीडिया, ऑन द इंटरनेट. ये मेरे को लगता है बट देयर आर मेनी केस. रॉड्रिगो डिड अ वेरी गुड जॉब अगेंस्ट मैन सिटी बट आप ये नहीं भूल सकते कि उसने 32 गेम से कोई स्कोर नहीं किया था, even though he got some opportunities. Okay, and he's a Rodrigo. He's playing from Madrid from a long time. तो ये आप डिनाई नहीं कर सकते judging only the one game which he played Man City and consistency पे questions उठेंगे of Rodrigo. अभी देखते आगे उनकी नेक्स्ट मैच में क्या होता है मैड्रिड के अगेंस्ट. बट प्रेशर है ऑन शाबी अलोंसो, प्रेशर है ऑन फ्लोरेंटिनो पेरेज एंड this is a very bad situation and very crucial situation for Real Madrid. Let's see what happens in that. The third news is coming from the Liverpool camp and it's a good news for Liverpool that players and fans are showing the support for Arne Slot. Inter Milan के against आपने around 10 minutes देखा होगा कि भाई fans ने actually chant किया and show the support to Arne Slot, those who were in the stadium. And also the latest news is coming that in the dressing room fans are actually liking Slot and they are keeping the hope and trust in the manager. And आपको क्या चाहिए यार, as a being fan from other countries you have to be trust your manager and that's what Liverpool is doing. Management सब साइड में and उनके पास कोई और choice है नहीं. But it doesn't mean कि भाई वो लोग साला को support नहीं कर रहे. साला has his own issues, उसको नहीं अच्छा लग रहा है, he don't want to keep on the bench and it's his choice. But अगर उसको जाना है then I think which is gonna happen. But क्या करें, अभी कुछ नहीं कर सकते. Salah is going to leave and Saudi is ready to give him the offer in the January, in the summer, wherever he wants to leave. But the meeting which happened of Liverpool वो अच्छी नहीं थी according to the latest report. So let's see what happens to the Liverpool. I'll keep on the tab. Make sure you always check on the video. But let's move to the latest transfer news and rumors. What's going to happen? So the first news is coming from Kobe Mainoo that he wants to leave Manchester United and he's showing the professionalism at the moment on the training ground, but he wants the minutes to play for the World Cup and that's why he's eager to leave Manchester United. The second news is coming from the Roma camp that Ivan Ferguson wants to leave Roma, जहां उसका contract terminate होने की बात चल रही है, and Everton, Celtic and Leicester City are interested on him. The third news is coming from the Barca camp that they are interested in Lautaro Martinez, who wants to eager to join from the Inter Milan, jahan he is ready for the new chapter and for the new life. The fourth news is coming from the Real Madrid camp that their aspiration for their defenders is now moved to Nico Schlotterbeck from the Borussia Dortmund and they are ready to pay 60 million for him. The fifth news is coming from the Galatasaray camp that unka striker Marco Icardi wants to leave them and he's been offered to AC Milan. The sixth news is coming from the Saudi camp, जहां Karim Benzema का contract खत्म हो रहा है and he don't want to renew his contract and ready to be free agent, and let's see, he wants to come back at Europe. But the last but not least, Manchester City has accepted the prize money with Bournemouth, जहां Liverpool has already accepted, and the play is a player decision. Let's see Semenyo कहाँ जाता है. अभी दो clubs are very interested, which is City and Liverpool. And United is out of the race at this point क्योंकि दो बड़े क्लब आ चुके हैं on the race. Now let's move to the great debate question, which I'm gonna ask you the question to you guys, and I'll make sure आप comments में answer लिखो. The question is, क्या Arsenal water down कर सकती है this season or not? Make sure आप comments में answer लिखो. मैं सबके comments पढ़ूंगा. It will be very interesting. And thank you so much guys for watching till here. Please make sure आप like, share and subscribe to Defective FC जरूर कर देना. चलो, thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care and please join the live stream so that हम बकचोदी करें. Bye.